Welcome to this tutorial on setting up monetization on Facebook. Today we'll explore Facebook's monetization features, including branded content tools, and guide you through developing a monetization plan that suits your needs and audience. There are 4 possible ways to monetize Facebook content. The first is with in-stream ads, where you can include ads before or during your video and earn money from your video content. People must view the entire ad to continue watching a video. You can then receive a portion of revenue for the videos people see. The second is with subscriptions. Fans can subscribe to access exclusive content from you, and you'll receive payment on a recurring monthly basis. The third is to collaborate with brands. Securing the brand collaboration is not done through Facebook. This would be you reaching out to brands for collaborations or brands reaching out to you. Once you finalize a collaboration with a brand, Facebook has branded content tools that allow you to tag the brand with a paid partnership label. This is to foster transparency with your audience. The last monetization method is to earn money from live videos. When you do a live stream, fans can buy and send stars, which is a virtual good, in the comments of the live video, and you earn 1 cent for every star you receive. Stars are a fun way for fans to express themselves and show you support in the comments of a video. Facebook's monetization options are reviewed and updated every so often, so for the latest monetization options, you can visit Facebook. Now, while there are 4 monetization options, they are only available if you meet certain criteria. Let's go to Meta Business Suite and click All Tools on the left panel and then click Monetization. This will take you to the monetization dashboard, where it will show if you're eligible for these options or not. Click View Page Eligibility to see. Here you'll see I'm eligible to set up stars, which is where fans can send me stars during the live stream. If I want to set it up, I would click the Setup button. I want to take a look at the other monetization tools by clicking the arrow. I see that for subscriptions, it says criteria not met. I'm going to click View Criteria. Facebook will then show me where my content is tracking in terms of meeting the criteria. This gives me a good idea on where to focus my efforts. Facebook is also currently working on a content monetization beta, which gives creators the opportunity to earn money based on the performance of their eligible Facebook videos, reels, photos, stories, and text posts. It is currently an invitation-only program while in beta testing. You can submit your interest to join by going to Facebook. The one Facebook monetization feature that is available to everyone is branded content. Let's click on the branded content tool so that way we can enable it. Click on the Enable Tag button, read the rules, and click Confirm. You have now enabled the branded content tag and can start reaching out to brands for partnerships. Now that we've explored what monetization options there are, let's come up with a plan on how we want to monetize. Pull up the monetization plan included in this course and start thinking about what your current content strategy is, and check to see which Facebook monetization options you're eligible for. If there aren't any at the moment, determine what you need to aim towards to be eligible. Next, let's think about what your monetization goals are and make sure they're measurable and actionable. Instead of saying, I want to make money from Facebook, a clearer goal would be to say, I want to generate a certain amount of money from one of the monetization options by a certain date. For example, I want to generate $100 from Facebook live streaming every month. Once you've defined your monetization goals, this leads to the next section of developing your content strategy to meet your goals. Back to your live streaming goal, let's figure out how to achieve this. To develop your content strategy for your goal of generating $100 from Facebook Live every month, to figure out how to achieve this, you'll want to calculate the average amount of stars you receive per live stream, and then use that to figure out how many live streams you would need to do every month to receive $100. By following these steps, you can effectively set up and manage monetization on Facebook. Remember, a well-thought-out monetization plan tailored to your needs and audience is key to success.